we're diving into the world of home office setups. Whether you're working remotely or just need a dedicated space for productivity, we've got some awesome DIY tips to transform your home office into a comfortable and efficient workspace. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Prioritize ergonomics. It's essential to set up your workspace in a way that supports your body. Invest in an ergonomic chair that provides proper lumbar support and adjust it to the right height, so your feet are flat on the ground and your arms are parallel to the desk. Additionally, consider using a monitor stand to ensure your screen is at eye level to reduce neck strain. Tip number 2. Declutter and organize. A cluttered workspace can lead to distractions and decreased productivity. Take some time to declutter your desk by getting rid of unnecessary items and organizing your supplies. Use drawer organizers, cable management solutions, and wall-mounted shelves to keep everything tidy and easily accessible. Tip number 3. Personalize your space. Make your home office a place where you feel inspired and motivated to work. Add some personal touches like artwork, plants, or inspirational quotes to brighten up the space. You can also incorporate your favorite colors and textures to create a cozy atmosphere. Tip number 4. Maximize natural light. Natural light not only improves mood and energy levels, but also reduces eye strain. Position your desk near a window to take advantage of natural daylight. If your workspace lacks natural light, consider using task lighting with adjustable brightness to mimic natural light and reduce eye fatigue. And there you have it. 5 DIY tips to elevate your home office and make it a productive and comfortable space. Let us know in the comments which tip you found most helpful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.